everyone. This is another video about MCP server. So today we're going to build our own MCP server. The whole idea is coming from this. I personally don't do any crypto trading or stuff, but I feel like, hey, it would be cool to make a video about trading bot. I want to see how LLM does if I give LLM a bunch of money and let them to do the trading. See if it's gonna earn something or lose something. In order to do that, I need a way to get the, you know, latest information about the Bitcoin price, all this kind of stuff, information. And mm, I found this website called coincap. So it basically give you the ability to retrieve all those information. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And then when I developed at some point, I realized why don't I create an MCP server and LLM itself will trigger all those tools. So it comes to the here. I need to create an MCP server myself. There's already a existing one, but I noticed that this one is not up to date because if you look at this thing, they're still using the API 2.0. And when I look at their uh, doc, they are migrating from API 2.0 to 3.0. So also this is not done by Python, and I want to do a Python one. So I was like, okay, why not? Let me do a Python one. So here's my code. I'm not going to talk more about the code detail because you have GPT, Cursor, Claude, everything. But it's just a thought process, how you create a MCP server and how to make it work. Oh, by the way, the entire code that I have here is done by uh, Cloud 3.7 Max. I spend less than $1 or something. It perfectly, does the job for me. It even noticed a small bug that I created. I write a couple example and it helped me to write the rest of it, like 90% of that. In order to create MCP server, this is how I structure the server. Don't think too compl too c- don't think this is too complicated. All you need is those three things. So this is my init file, this is my entry point, uh, my init file will start this serve, and this is my serve function, which is here. And I have another function. This is more like a wrapper for those HTTP requests. I give the base URL and different endpoint API and make the request and get a response. As simple as that. So let's take a look this server structure. Um, for those, I have a couple of things. I would say couple segment. First segment is the params. The params I need to make each HTTP request, like additional parameters. And then I have a enum for those two names, what kind of function I need to call. And then this is a server function. Again, I think I have talked this before. The most important thing about MCP server is you list all the tools to LLM, make the decision to call to. So list the tools, call to. That's it. As simple as that. And then in the list tool, I want to mention a couple of things. You give the tool name. This is my enum. As you can see here, description is actually pretty important for the LLM to make the judgment. LLM will see this description and determine whether I need to use it or not use it. And also need to give the input schema, which is the primes that you're seeing here. So everything connected together. Those things are just the rest of the stuff is just duplication. I just made one of that, and not GPT cursor helped me with the rest. For after the list tool is the next thing is the call tools. I req based on the name request. I for the function that I created here, make the tool call from here. That's it. Uh, yeah, that's about that. You don't have to do this entire thing with me because I'm going to share the code with everyone. I even feel like I need to maybe host this MCP server at some point so everyone could use it. Um, yeah, let's take a run first and see how it works and show you the trees. I have this simple agent asking, hey, answer crypto trading questions based on the given tool. I'm passing MCP server, which is the server that I create on my local environment, right? And then I say, hey, what is the current price of Bitcoin? Just return the price and timestamp. And let's take a run. Asking the question, this is the price of that. Here is the timestamp. Okay, let's uh say the trace maybe. Oh, I cannot share the trace because there's some information here. Okay, I'll share the trace in the maybe in the post area. But yeah, that's how you do it. And after that, I'm gonna mm, I'm gonna start to code the trading boy here, the real trading boy. Another thing here I want to mention is how you use this one. You go to this coincap website. There's like I think is there something you get to let me see how do I get there. Okay, you click this one. You click the pro, and I think you can do the sign in. Once you get to sign in, you'll get to this dashboard, and there's a free tier. I mean, for the test purpose, is more than enough. And then you go to the docs. This is how I do it. I think you can sign up at somewhere, sign up for a key. With the key, here's a fast API you can try with that. Um, One thing to mention is it's adding the for all those URL, you need to add the API key at the end. My code already handling that, so you don't have to do it. Uh, yeah, that's about it. And thanks for watching. A couple of things I forgot to mention. Sorry about that. For the prompts, this is the simple pedantic model that we use. We use this one pass to the list tools here. Uh, so this is how I do it. So I go to this doc, I go to one of this thing, and I list just pretty much a one-to-one map, what they have, and list that one as a prompt. So for example, the first one, search IDs, limit and offset. So what I have is the same, search ID, limit, offset. I even copy paste the description from their doc, official doc. How do you use this how do you ask cursor or client or GPT help you with that? I just click this one, fast API, this doc JSON, copy paste everything, give to cursor, and it will do the work for you. I mentioned that is because all those requests, HTTP requests, type of MCP server can be done in the same way. Another thing about the trees, before I want to, we can make another row. Oh, oops, I was drawing the wrong thing. For this one, okay, say uh the price is different. Oh, it changed a lot. Let's see the trees that I have here. this one. So what it does is it lists all the MCP tools as I mentioned, and make the decision what to call and pass the proper parameter, and then they call the tool. This is done in our local environment. It get the response from the coincap, and then make the decision. Okay, this is the result. This is the price. What time is that? Yep. Thanks.